Hi everyone, AK here. In this video, I'm gonna give you an overview about Calendly. It's a appointment and calendar scheduling tool that you can use to allocate certain slots of time in your calendar, and you send it to people like this. So you fix certain availabilities. And then people can book it, so you don't have to just go back and forth about your meeting. And also you can use it as an automated, it will show the appointments like this in your, like, whatever it's booked you have. You can create different types of calendars, like, or events it's called here, where each one for certain different, like, certain time length and details, and each one serves a different purpose. And I will show you here how you book it. So let's say this is one type of events that I've created, and so basically you choose. So let's go through the booking as an example. So let's say Tuesday, we'll book at 2 p.m. All right, and then confirm. You put your first name, right? Let's say, and then second name, put email. This boxes you selected when you create the event. So you put Skype ID. So these all things you selected, right? Just you can have like an event with only name and email, without number and Skype and this box. So you design it the way you want. Test, then schedule an event. The number is not accepting. Okay. So that's it. It's booked. Actually, I'm just redirecting them to a different page after the booking, which you can do in the pro account of Calendly. So this is like an overview about the tool. In the next video, I'll show you how to create an event from scratch. Thank you so much, and see you soon with another video.